Hello YouTube family. Today we will learn how to use words correctly. Here is an exercise. Fill each sentences with past or past. Past means already over. Past mean one or moved. 1. Helen dash the cakes to Angela. Which word will you use here? Past or past? Number 2. It was 10 minutes dash to when the train arrived. 3. Megan dash her music examination with honors. 4. The colonel saluted as he dash the Union Jack. 5. The colonel saluted as he marched dash the Union Jack. Let us look at the answers. Number 1. Helen passed the cakes to Angela. 2. It was 10 minutes past 2 when the train arrived. 3. Megan passed her music examination with honors. 4. The colonel saluted as he passed the Union Jack. 5. The colonel saluted as he marched past the Union Jack. Hope you have learned to use the words correctly. Please share and subscribe to the channel. Bye.